So today I'm going to show you how to change your color font like on your download now or on your dollar amounts for your Stan store. Now we're actually going to be doing this on desktop here in real time, and currently we are on the My Store tab. And what we actually want to do is go ahead and go over to our Edit Design button right over here on the top center of the screen. And from here, it's going to take you to this new section where you can go ahead and toggle back and forth between multiple different styles of templates. And on the bottom left here, you're going to see where it says colors, and sometimes there's multiple colors, such as this one here. And you can see it gives you a set of colors, or you can go through and highlight between all the different ones, or you can go ahead and put in your code like we have for our brand, and then all you got to do is click away from there, and on the bottom right hand side, click on Save. And now your themed color is on your download now buttons, as well as your dollar amounts on screen. Now there is more to learn when it comes to using the Stan store, and we got you covered. Check out our next video right over here on screen.